We have a brand new phoneme to learn today. It's the phoneme V.
Let's make the V sound. To begin with, you need to put your front teeth on your bottom lip, like this. And then you're going to turn your voice on and let the air come out. Ooh, ooh. Bite your bottom lip gently and have a go with me. Biting. And let the voice come out. Ooh.
It's time to practice making the sound V. So pause the video, go and find a mirror and practice making the phoneme V. V is the first sound we hear in words like van and vet and vowels. Let's play thumbs up, thumbs down. If a word begins with our new phoneme U, give it a thumbs up. But if it begins with a different phoneme, give it a thumbs down. Let's begin. The first word is vet. Does vet begin with our new phoneme U? If it does, give it a thumbs up. It does. Does the word wish begin with a U? No, it doesn't. It begins with W. Does shark begin with our new phoneme U? What about the word van? Pool. Vest. Vowel. Our new phoneme V is represented by the letter V, and this is the letter V. We are going to blend phonemes to read words, and these words have our new phoneme V in them, represented by the letter V. Ready? Van. Van. Vet. Vet. Vic. Vic. Rev. Vest. Vest. Now read the words again the fast way. It's time for sentence reading. We will read some sentences that contain our new letter V, representing the sound V. Begin on the top left-hand side. The man has a vest on. Now put it together fluently. The man has a vest on. Can you see our new phoneme V? There it is, V in vest. This sentence begins with our new letter V, but it's a capital for the beginning of the sentence. Ik went to the shop. Put it together fluently. Vic went to the shop. The van will rev. Put it together fluently. The van will rev. Rev means to rev up your engine. Can you see the V's in this sentence? There are two of them. A vet can help sick cats. Put it together. A vet can help sick cats. Can you find the letter V? It's in the word vet. The phoneme V is represented by the letter V. Say V. When we write the letter V, we start on the top left-hand side. Place our pencil where the starting star is, and then we do a line down to the bottom where we turn around quite sharply and then go straight back up to the top. V. The letter V is written within the two black lines. Start on the top black line where the starting star is. Place your pencil and go straight down to the bottom black line, then turn around and go back up to the top black line.